thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cook County in north central Texas, northern Denton County in north central Texas, southwestern Clayton County in north central Texas, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:40 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 3-pound ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Sanger, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Roberts Park, Isle d'Ivoire, Pilot Point, Collinsville, Gunter, Dorchester, Allen Sherman. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. Stay away from windows and doors, and avoid using corded telephones, unless it is an emergency. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Thursday.